Language death is not mainstream theatre. It is not mainstream anything. Can you imagine Hollywood taking it on? It's so far outside the mindsets of most people that they have a difficulty appreciating what the crisis is all about because they're not used to thinking about language as an issue in itself. Somehow we need to change these mindsets. We need to get people thinking more about language, more explicitly, more intimately, more enthusiastically. Interest in language is certainly there in the general population. Most people are fascinated by such topics as where words come from, or what the origin of their town's name is, or whether their baby's name means anything. And they're certainly prepared to play Scrabble and a host of other language games ad infinitum. And you get language games on radio and television too, but a willingness to focus that interest on general issues, a preparedness to take on board the emotion and drama inherent in the situation of language endangerment is not something that happens much.